Tahseen.
Once again, repeat.
Hello everybody, I'm Safia Tahseen and my project is Super Speciality at Rural. Neglecting rural healthcare is rapidly because of lack of super specialists in rural areas. Even the native villagers who study medicine prefer staying in urban rather than staying in their own village and serving the people there. Because of this, one of the greatest challenges that the rural health is facing today is ensuring better health at the place where it is needed and when it is needed. Our heart is a complex closed hydraulic system that pumps blood, water, nutrients and many other things to all the parts of our body. But nowadays we see that most of the people are dying because of cardiac disorders. So as to minimize this, we have designed the project. Mostly, we see that even if a person gets operated for his cardiac disorder, he has to visit the hospital again and again for regular checkup. This is a mere waste of time and at the same time money. And this is very painful too. Instead of that, with the help of our project, we will be able to help them a lot because we can connect the patient with the doctor at any place. Moreover, 1/3 of the patients die on the way to the hospital, that is, in the ambulance. This can be surely because of lack of time. So, we have designed this project in such a way that we minimize the transportation, the time consumed for transportation. So, we can be in contact with the doctor can see the patient, can listen to the sounds produced by the heart and can see the graph of the functioning of the heart. In this project, we are making use of an FM cardioscope, whose explanation will be given by my partner Divya.
Hello, I'm Divya. Now I'm going to explain you how this FM cardioscope works. This FM cardioscope has broadly two parts. One is the FM transmitter and the other is FM receiver. FM transmitter will be with the patient and the FM receiver will be with the doctor. Whenever the patient places the ultrasonic probe on his heart, then it sends an ultrasonic beam into the heart and the reflected signal will be caught by the receiving crystal and it will be sent to the speaker and to antenna. Through the speaker, the patient can hear to the sounds produced by his heart and through antenna, the signals can be transmitted to the doctor whose antenna will be in the receiving side. In the receiving side, the antenna takes the signals and sends it to the ADC and to speaker. Through the speaker, the doctor can hear to the sounds produced by the patient's heart and through ADC, that is analog to digital converter, the continuous analog input signals can be converted into digital pulses and they can be fed to the computer through the parallel ports and with the help of associated software written in the C language. Then on the computer's monitor, the heart functioning will be displayed in the form of a graph and the pulse rate can also be shown for 10 seconds. And if there is any abnormal functioning in the heart, the danger condition will be displayed below the graph. Now the users will be said by my friend.
Coming to the uses of this project, sometimes the patient's mobility may not be advisable and sometimes it may not be possible due to serious heart condition or due to lack of convenience. 104, 108 emergency services are yet to penetrate into the core of rural life. Then who will save the lives of such people? I am sure that with the help of this project, we will be able to save the lives of such people. With the help of this project, we will be able to store the cardiograph as well as the sounds in the form of CDs or floppies, which can be used for future diagnosis. Not only that, we can send the graph as well as the sound to a doctor immediately when it is wireless. Even if it is not wireless, we can send them through internet or through telephone lines. ECG machine is also used for the same purpose, but this costs very little when compared to that of the ECG machine. Even for operating the ECG machine, we find a separate technician because its operation is so complicated. But here, we did not make use of any technician because its operation is so simple that even a common man can operate it. Using a stethoscope, only one doctor will be able to listen to the sounds produced by the heart. But at the time of operation, a group of doctors will be present, and all of them need to know about the functioning of the heart. So each doctor to make use of the stethoscope for each time, it takes much time. Maybe in that time, the patient may lose his life. So instead of the stethoscope can be substituted by this cardioscope so that all the doctors will be able to listen to the sounds produced by the heart at the time, and they can start the treatment immediately. Especially rural people will be greatly benefited because of this project. Because even if a single person in the entire village knows about this, the entire village will be benefited. As the people in rural areas have great communication between themselves. Not only the patients, even the doctors will be greatly benefited because of this. Because the doctor who is accommodated for the rural areas will never like to stay there because the facilities are so poor over there. So he can stay at urban, and with the help of this project, he can treat his patients at rural. Not only cardiac disorders, with the help of this project, any sort of acute disorder can be solved. Because whenever we go to a doctor, the doctor first listens to our heartbeat using a stethoscope. And on listening to that, he makes a judgment about the treatment. So here the cardioscope works as a stethoscope. And the sound can be sent to our doctor, and he can give us the treatment online. Nowadays, some necklaces are also available with this facility. These necklaces, as they are very close to our heart, they sense the functioning of our heart. And whenever they find that there is any problem in our heart, they send a message to our doctor. Even mobiles are available with this facility. We usually carry the mobiles in our hands. These mobiles sense the functioning of our heart through our fingertips. And whenever they find that there is any problem in our heart, they send a message to our doctor. So, with the help of this project, the malfunctioning of our heart can be known initially. As we know it initially, we can cure it initially. When we cure it initially, we need not go till the operation. So this project saves life, saves time, and at the same time saves money. I hope that with the help of this project, telemedicine can be greatly helped. Thank you.